You don't need money or experience to start your animation. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to start your animation using free tools, something like this.
You don't have to work, Amina. I've got you. I want to provide everything.
Are you sure? I don't want to be a burden. I can still manage my store.
Burden, you're my wife, my responsibility, my pride.
Okay, if that's what you want. My love.
I promise you never lack. Look at us. We're a family now.
Thank you for taking care of us.
Dinner wasn't ready on time.
I was putting the baby to sleep.
Excuses, always excuses.
You promised. You said I'd never lack. Now you treat me like I'm nothing.
Because you are nothing without my money.
Hi, my name is Angela. I create animation stories using free tools. This is my first tutorial and I'm going to keep it short. So this way we're going to create the magic of making our video up and move and do other things we want them to do. The app is Grok. Once you open your Grok, this is how it's going to look like. But before then, remember we type our prompt in your color note. So you go to your color note, you copy your prompt first. As you can see, I just copy camera wide shot. That's what I want. So I'll go back to my Grok, create video. Once I click on it, I'll go to animate photo. Now I'm going to choose the photo I want to use, and I'm just choosing this particular photo. Once you choose the photo on Grok, they automatically want to generate a video for you. Sometimes it comes out very nice and other times it don't come out nice. So that's where you have to type in the prompt. But if you wait for them and they generate video for you and you feel you like it, you are okay with it, it's talking about what you want to do, then you use it. Otherwise, you go back again, you pick the photo you want to use, and then this time around don't allow them generate your video. You type in your prompt. As you can see, it's just camera wide shot I want them to do. That's what I want them to generate for me. It takes some time to generate the image, so you just wait patiently while they generate it for you. Make sure you have enough data and your internet connection is very strong. I don't want to forward this for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm going to leave it for you to see how it works step by step. So you give them time for them to generate your video for you. Just be patient, enough data. So remember that you already have our story written down on our color note. So all you need to do is to just go there and copy the story. Like, what do you want this particular person to see, and the camera angle. How do you want the camera angle to display? You want the face first, or the side view first, or up first, or so everything you want. Just know that you have to go and copy it first from your color notes, and then you go back again to your Grok. You pick the image you want to use. You search in the image you want to use. Remember, you've downloaded the images too on your phone, so you just go straight to the image you want to use. You pick it, and this time around you be the one to paste in your prompt for them. After pasting in your prompt, what I want you to take note is, if you see what I'm writing, make the man to speak in Nigeria accent. I'm telling them the accent I want them to speak in. And if you can see it very well, what I want them to see, I'm always putting it in brackets. So if you look at it, I say marriage, is it love alone that carries it? It's in brackets, so I close the bracket. So always tell them the accent you want them to speak in, and always close your conversation in a bracket so that we know that this particular one, this is what I want the person to do. And then you hit your generate button and allow it to generate.
Marriage, is it love alone that carries it?
Just watch. Don't forget to like, click on the subscription button so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. See you in the next